Hello, we are Team Analytics, and we are working on supplemental notifiable condition fire resources to complement the electronic initial case report standard. Our mentors are John Lunsk and Laura Kahn. I am Elena, and my team members are Ashton, Anu, and Kirk. What is our project? Variations in state reporting laws and EHR data standards have delayed the development of tools that report data to the CDC for the phenotypes they are interested in. The CDC needs to be able to request supplemental data from providers if they aren't contained in the initial case report. This project aims to proactively develop FHIR resources that can be shared by public health programs as they adopt the standard. This harmonization of public health data requests could reduce the burden of clinical reporting and provide more comparable data to public health agencies. Our clients are the CDC and local public health agencies.
Hi, I'm Anu. Some of the benefits to the end users are as follows. Local public health agency can seamlessly report and access CDC notifiable disease data using the proposed standardized data model. The standardized data model can also be adopted by state agencies, which at present are using incompatible data standards. And the use of these incompatible data standards is affecting the data harmonization process. We are currently thinking about a couple of solutions. The first solution is to use standard FHIR data model or schema for disease notification. We have to extend the existing FHIR data model. Another solution is to develop a mapping tool for mapping the new disease data onto the standardized schema that we are developing.
The market context for this project is to help advance the exchange of reportable condition data with public health agencies in order to improve the monitoring of local, state, and national disease trends, support outbreak management, and notify the CDC for certain conditions. The required fields, both core and supplemental, for all roughly 90 CDC notifiable diseases exists in an unstandardized spreadsheet form. Because of this, we need to do research to determine the purpose of each field for each disease in order to translate the spreadsheet. This will help us create a mapping of notifiable disease data into FHIR data resources that complement the initial case report in order to minimize the schema complexity.
Our project mentors have left the specifics of implementing our deliverables up to us to determine, but they have given us a wish list of items they'd like to see in our solution. From the disease data points that we have been given, they would like some system of mapping to a FHIR resource that we will create. Ideally, this resource would be able to identify common fields among these diseases so as to minimize the number of required fields and identify the data types that best fit the resource. Some of the fields provided to us already exist in the EICR standard or in FHIR, so we will also have to determine what we can use from existing resources and what we will need to create new. Our mentors would also like an algorithm that will automatically map new diseases onto this FHIR schema we will create, as well as an automated process for querying the supplemental information needed to generate notifiable case reports. Here's a tentative timeline of when we plan to complete each of the deliverables, as well as a timeline of our team and mentor meetings. We will meet weekly on Thursdays with our mentors and on Wednesdays as a team. Since the flow of the project deliverables is linear, we will all be collaborating to complete each step of the project.